Good morning, it is ClayTrader from ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trade video. I'll try to catch some of my trades live here for you. I will keep you updated. Market opens in less than 2 minutes. Got an order in here at 56.55. We'll see if it can drop down there. First impressions, not too excited about the current volatility. It's moving kind of sluggish this morning. And you know, it's 9:31, so the market's just open. So this is the point of the day where it should be moving the most, but kind of sluggish. We'll see what happens. Again, 56.55 is where I have my order in to go long. Let's see if I can get in. I'm in. Now looking to sell. And of course, after I get in now, it starts to really move. That's fine though. It's with this sort of overextended move, it'll get pretty volatile and hopefully snap back. If not, I can buy some more shares. But that is my current plan. So let's see if it can bounce back here. And I am out. So just like that, that's why I love charts. I mean, yeah, that looked pretty nasty, but watching the action in conjunction with level 2s, you knew that this was just some sort of black boxes, the supercomputers out there. Big overreaction. Yeah, it looked pretty bad, but you know that's why I love level 2s and charts in conjunction. It totally, you know, I knew not to freak out there just because that was just such a bizarre movement there. Just the example of the computers and black boxes out there that really kind of make trading a little bit choppy like that. So anyways, I'll try to catch some more trades. Going for some shares at 56.90. This is based off the moving average here. You can see acted as resistance right there. And it's pulling back now some. All right, I will keep it. I'll pause it and let you know if it looks like I'm gonna get filled or whatever. Looking to go short here at 57.15. If it can get up there, I'm in. Looking to cover at 57.10. You can see here, big green candle, actually second after this big one. So it's getting overextended. So, you know, I feel comfortable with the position. If I need to add some more, then I will. But let's first see if I can get the 5-cent move here. Again, looking to cover at 57.10 or 57.10, yeah. Let's see. We'll short some more at 57.35 if it can get up there. So that'll be my next entry point, and that's actually based off the 5-minute chart, which you can't see on this screen. Actually, I'm going to sell. See if it can get up there and hit me at 57.35. And at this point, what I'm going to do is just cover that, probably not at 57.10 anymore, just because, let's be honest, 57.15 wasn't the best entry. Not a terrible entry, but it's not one where I'm going to go for my my 5-cent score. Come on, get up there. The reason I like 35 is you can see here, look at the moving average. It's coming right down. So we'll see if it can get up there and tap it. So that is where this entry point is coming in at. Let's see if I can get filled here. Was not filled. If I get filled, that'll change to green. We'll just keep an eye. Let's see if I can come down here. 15 was a level of support last time it was down here, just based off of watching the level 2s. So we'll see if it can push down through 15 now. That was down, and I trying to cover here at 57.12, and I'm out. So 30 bucks. But like I said, didn't get the best entry point, so I had to rearrange that. May still pull back some more, which it is, but you know, the plan was, you know, it didn't work out quite well, so wanted to get out. And man, how high did it go? It hit 57.35, and that's where my order was. I just didn't get filled, so it hit what I thought, didn't get filled, and it just goes to show the power of charts. Look at that. Price came up there. There's where my order was because of this moving average, and now you can see it's getting rejected back down. So bummer. That would because if I would have gotten those shares, that would have raised up my average, and then, you know, I could have still covered at 57.12, for example, but I would have had a better average, a higher one, and it would have been that big, much more of a score. But I didn't get any fills up there, so obviously I wasn't the only person thinking 57.35. There was a wall up there, and that's not a coincidence. I'm not the only one looking at that 5-minute chart, so that's just the way it goes. But it shows, you know, traders use charts, and you know, because they work. I'll see if I can catch some more trades though. Have an order in a short at 57.49, but this is exactly why, you know, just accept. Don't try to go for a big score. You know, it pulled back here, yes, but that's why I just, you know, got out. Yeah, because now, I mean, if I was still holding, yeah, I could still be building a bigger position, but it got this rest here before heading back up. So now it's not quite as overextended as what it was during this period here. So, you know, just a quick little lesson there. Sometimes you just got to accept you didn't get the best entry point, and then just take a few little profits. Like I said, made 30 bucks on that. So nothing huge, but much better than now starting to get, you know, caught up in starting to get squeezed as a short. So again, looking to go short here at 49. So I will keep you posted and let you know if it looks like I'm going to get filled or not. Going for some shares here at 57.65. Let's see if it can get up there and hit that. Actually, I should probably move it up to that moving average right there. That's what I'm going to do. That's at, so I'm going to go 69. So let's see if it can go all the way up there, and I'll try to cut right in front of that moving average value. Well, of course, it went up and hit 57.65 and now pulls back, but let's see if it can get up there. Ah, darn it. Should have left it at my 65, but that was more of just a gut instinct, not based off the chart. And gut instincts can get you in trouble, especially when you have a chart showing, okay, that a potential resistance is right there. So I'm going to leave it up at 69. Is it going to be the best possible entry point? I don't know about that, but you know, it's definitely going to be a good one. Especially if it can hit it on this candle, that would be a thing of beauty. So I will pause it, and if it looks like I'm going to get filled, I will be back. Going for some shares here at 57.12. You know, I like the strength here. Now we're just getting a little bit of a pullback, but yeah, it just wasn't quick enough. So, all right, as you can see, not the best morning. I'm kind of sidetracked too, so I'm not giving my full focus to it either. But I'll stick at it for a little bit longer. Okay, going for some shares here at 82. I am in. Now I'm going to look to sell at 87. You can see pretty big downwards move here. So let's see if I can get some sort of bounce. And I am out, so there's a quick $50. I'll see if I can catch maybe one more. We're going to pick up some shares here at 56.65. If it can drop down that low. Let's see here. This is coming from the 5-minute chart. What has a history of being a level of support. You can see it's hit it a couple times, but did not give me a fill. So at this point, I had my opportunity. Now I'd be willing to buy at 60. Because what I don't want to happen is for 65 to get, you know, knocked through and then have it pull back even more, which it's kind of doing right now. So if anything, I'll paper trade 65, see if I should have really held it there, or not, but now it's looking like 60 may give me a better entry here. Video's at 10 minutes, so it's already starting to drag out. All right, I'll keep you posted if it looks like I'm gonna get up. And you could have seen 65 would have ended up working out, but oh well, didn't feel comfortable with it. I will keep you posted on the 60 entry if it looks like it's gonna happen. All right, I'm just gonna wrap things up. I'm not too focused, and well, now look at this. Watch it pull back and possibly move. But regardless, I'm gonna wrap it up. I know this wasn't the most exciting video compared to some of my other ones, but some days, that's just life of a trader. It's not always going to be huge scores and action that acts exactly your way. But it's also a Friday, so like I said, I'm just not super focused on it. Working with the blog and some other things right now. But if you want to learn how to use charts and technical analysis and candlestick charts, which is everything that's over here and what I base my entry points off of, you don't have to do it for day trading like you see here. It can be used for swing trading and any other strategy. So go to ClayTrader.com or click in the links below. Check out my course store. I also have a trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders in a chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter. It's all very fairly priced, so check that stuff out if you want to learn charts and just learn discipline as a trader. And if anything, read some of the testimonials. So hopefully you learned something. Thank you for listening.